If you want to see who you follow on X, formerly known as Twitter, this quick guide will show you exactly where to go in just a few seconds. Whether you're checking your own following list, looking for an account you already follow, or simply trying to manage who you're connected to, the process is very simple once you know where to click. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this one. First, log into your X account. You can do this on desktop or mobile, but for this walkthrough, I'll be using the desktop layout because it makes the steps easier to follow. Once you're signed in, look at the left sidebar on X. This is where you'll find your main navigation options, like Home, Search, Notifications, Messages, and more. From that menu, click Profile. This will take you directly to your personal profile page. Now that you're on your profile, look just below your profile information. You'll see a section that shows your activity, including posts, followers, and following. Click Following. This is the tab that opens the full list of accounts you currently follow on X. As soon as you click it, X will display the accounts in your following list. You can scroll through this page to see more accounts as far back as your list goes. If you follow a lot of people, just keep scrolling down and X will continue loading additional accounts. You can also use this list to quickly review who you follow, unfollow accounts you no longer want to keep, or double-check whether a specific profile is already in your network. If you're trying to find a particular account, the following list can also help you confirm it faster than searching from scratch. Just open your following page and scan through the usernames and profile pictures until you spot the one you need. It's a really useful way to manage your account and keep track of the people, brands, and creators you follow. And that's it. To see who you follow on X, just log in, go to your profile, click Following, and then scroll through the list of accounts. Super easy, beginner-friendly, and only takes a moment. If this video helped you out, please like the video and subscribe for more simple tutorials on X, Twitter, and other social platforms. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.